So, hello everyone. Now I'll show you how to solve two problems in the assessment form, which is the topic, the differential of the transcendental function. I choose two numbers in the topic, which is the number 1 and the number 10. So, the given in number 1 is the function of x comma y comma z is equals to 8x squared plus 2y plus z. Now, find the AF over dx, AF over dy, AF over dz. So, in the number 10, the given is the y is equals to square root of 1 plus sine x. So, now let's solve the number 1 first. So, now, the function of the function of x comma y comma z is equals to 8x squared plus 2y plus z. Now find the AF over dx, AF over dy, AF over dc. Now let's find this first, the AF over dx. So AF over dx is equals to 8x squared plus 2y plus z. So the derivative of respected to x, the derivative of 8x squared will become 8 times 2 because we will down the 2, and then x 2 minus 1. Okay, with respected to x, the 2y will become 0. So, magiging 0 yan, equals to 0. And then the z will become 0 then, plus 0. So matitira 0, 0 lang to, 0 plus 0. So, it will become 16x plus 0, 0, diba? So, the AF over dx will become 16 only. Respected to that. So, now let's find the AF over dy. AF over dy. AF over dy is equals to 8x squared plus 2y plus z. So, now hinanap natin is respected to y. So, it will become, the 8x will become 0. So, ito, the derivative this is 2. So, the derivative of z will become 0 then. So, bale, is equals to 2. So, the AF over dy is equals to 2. So, now let's find the AF over dz. So, dz. So, 8x squared plus 2y plus z. So, respected to z, magiging 0 yung 8x squared plus yung 2y magiging 0 din. So, pag dinerive mo yung variables, will become 1. So, it will become 1. So, the AF over dz is equals to 1. So, that's the that's the solving for number 1. So, now let's go to number 10. Okay, now let's solve the number 10, which is the y is equals to 1 plus sine x, a square root of 1 plus sine x. So now, we'll use the chain rule, which is y prime is equals to d over dx to the square root of 1 plus sine x, where y is equals to 1 plus sine x. So now, take the derivative. So it will become y prime is equals to d over dx over square root of y times the d over dx times over d over dx of 1 plus sine x, which is this sine x. So now, calculate the derivative of this, which will become y prime is equals to 1 over 2 square root of y times 1 plus sine x. So, now calculate the derivative of the sum of the difference. So, this one will become y is equals to 1 over 2 square root of y times the cos x. So, we will derive. So, sa may yung trigonal function, pag yung derivative mo yung 1 plus sin x will become cos cos x, cosine x. So, ngayon, substitute natin back yung y is equals to 1 sin x. Ito, substitute natin ulit yung where y. So, become y prime is equals to, substitute natin dito sa y. So, 1, substitute natin sa 1 kasi ibabalik pa natin, i-substitute ulit natin yung y, 1 plus sin x. So, bali magiging y over 2, ay 1 over 2 over I squared of 1 plus sin x times cos x, cosine x. So, tapos nyan, we'll calculate the product. So, the answer is, if I-calculate yun, so the answer is y prime is equals to, kasi nga times natin siya. So, cosine x over 2 square root of 1 plus sin x. Times natin siya dito eh. So, this is the final answer for number 10. So, hope you understand my discussion. Thank you.